Here is what happened. Deputy Governor Alwane Abelwale Cheyokwal Gruj bata motonin ta denka. Yo bata motonin bata denka nas kubar. Then he went to lie that Governor Dollar is the one. Governor Dollar is the one who stole the money. When Deputy Governor was the one who stole the money. So Governor Dollar went to call the meeting Tanas Kubar Ajazin Denga. Those Denga elders, they went on live video to speak out again. Deng John Angok. Chagawayan. Say gentleman, why are you speaking? Later, my wallet and where you refer to Dollar as a wallet and where the my wallet of a liar, the my wallet but a comsagabel, not a wallet for my ban, not a wallet for Koma, not a wallet for Denga, not a wallet for Chuk, but the wallet for Nuer Governor of Nuer. Chanawayan. Then Governor Dollar was, hey, man, unlike Governor, you have no power in this state to put fishful, to arrest people. Tamamogan decision nas if you liar. Ana your wale. I'm the governor. Now they lazim fogo. Nas kubar lazim fogo but I dang get a decision ode. Tawal he went on guns, dollar binak, ana boktulek, ana barak bed betak, noar al gad vi malakal le boktulukulu. This is what happened. The deputy governor threatened Madenga that they will kill Nuer from Malakal. But let me warn you. Let me warn you to Mdenga. Try, can I Jerub Kalam, try it. Try it, can I drop dollar. Try it, kill Nuer from Malakal. We know Yamda Gutum Katal Sita Nuer, Mafia Galo. And if you're getting used that you will kill Nuer, try it again. Now, Kalamata Governor Dollar. You see? You see when you turn against your own people. When you turn against your own people, you will be put in a situation like this. Yamdagi the Kalam Glad of Finaser. That Kang Makana. Nen the bus Figagwang, Chenangor and then Kang Makana. If I see Kang Makana Figagwang, I will kill the entire Gagwang. Little father for Gambela, refugee. You threaten your own people because of Danga. And child answer that one day Danga they will kill you. Nana Danga they yo katal nerukulu Danga they will kill you. Chetedita dollar. Can it take a path? Jangor liaduza. That they will kill you. That's why you've been warned that Matabiu Nas Vatak Bara, Matabiu community Vatak Bara. This problem that you know Sudan one day, Binta, or community Bobdal Kai community, you don't have a right to talk like that again in your own community. Just imagine, community but our lang will go with it, community but Nasar will go with it, community but my wood will go with it, community but your kind will go with it. Loita Makalam Kalamata, I'm down there trading Nuera, Danga for Dang Mabakalam there. They will never try to kill you in front of your people. But this is what happens when you betray your people. When you betray your people. Jellike Mushiro Jang, today the Chakal Mahalik. Azaba Malita Kef. Baipal or Baipal, go by Nagajang, or by look. How can we help you? Shame on you, Dollar. Shame on you. You learn one thing now. That Denga government there cannot be trusted. Kulukul. Ukuma da Denga de. Another Barabu Ukuma de Tamam. Lopizol can Bamalai the Quez le Denga. Dr. Ngwen Mintil. Dr. Ngwen Mintil Sharan Nuk Sharan Bulga Dungjang. Where is he today? Where is he today? Look around you. Wenu Dr. Ngwen Mintil. Charan bull Dr. Ngwen Mintil. The man bull. Kedung jaun. Wara ga kuwa dil ke de bela video ba kalam denga. Kalam siya da denga. Wenu alele. Is even boy. Jani is even boy. Is even boy in time in wer. 2013. Mashi madenga. Es fiela we ye. Es fiela we ngot. Es fiela we ngot. Is even boy in time in wer. Jani tan is even boy. Why you don't want to learn utum? When will you learn that? Denga de into mashila kabir community anwer. Well, I will allow you to figure that out. But I'm here asking Agwalek for Malakal. Don't allow this to happen. Kada nwere ma yatulu for Malakal. Nwere besit for Malakal dade. Kada nwere ma yatulu. Nwere must be defended by Agwalek. Agwalek amale mael nwere. After all, nwere then as but muzakin for Malakal, woman mind go, woman mind sla, woman mind more of nwere for Malakal are the businessmen, business lady. They have no power. One are there, not they. Those of what is his name? The man lolgar quote. Ray Nikier. Ma those nyanas. You need to come outside to speak again denga. To speak out again denga. Those of Brown Bull. Nyanas young. Ganyikier. You need to come outside to speak out against this denga mentality in Malakal. You need to come outside. Don't lie, this will be tagum. Dollar banaru nwer wew. Nwer ma father lew. Katalu dade nwer don't give a damn about him. Na no chanuara kok. Na de tumbao nwer barakulu. Tumachi ma denga. You pleasing denga, you worshiping denga. Aya denga amal you will do it. And now Boktuluta the clip could ever get up now lana denga don't give a damn about you. So to naza lol nyikier, na re nyikier, naza nyana young, na the kulu, naza bugulumunu. Naz kulu wagimo kuma come outside. Naz ship brown bull, come outside and condemn this. Condemn this denga. When will you condemn denga? Ya ukuma da jinusal ma ukuma da denga ya. Karabia de kalam father, come and speak out. Condemn naz betagum de. Te yo machi mo ukuma de. Come outside and condemn them. It's their media, but I know to say what? You betray media, but I know. Nuer will never come outside. They will just collapse. They will tail after them, kill him. Up to Zole. We are never yelling. Lano ba kwan betao bara. And this you've been warned that denga there is more dangerous than you think. Denga after dangde is more dangerous than you think. That's how they kill a bona with a shiluk from Malakal. If you think they cannot kill Dollar, think about this. The man Lama call engineer. The man Lama call engineer El Kabir, politician El Kabir. Gadi Hako, Danga Katalu Malakal, Danga Damang Lalayag. Oma Bizul said, you know, and she look move on today like nothing happened. General Vadajesh, Salbakir Jabo. Cha no gajang fi Malakal ne. Cha lele no gajang fi Malakal. O Salbakir mangala yaje. Abuna bada shuluk. Denga katalo. De kam yal sukarin talada yal sukarin denga da bawo gade ma bizul salum lanu mun mashi ma Salbakir. Aja de kulu gada malu be isum da Salbakir. All these things are done in line with Salbakir requests. Even when they say that dollar, your world, dollar is not a governor. Denga Joe is a governor. Nadam but Arab Dama, remember? Nadam but Arab Khartoum. They will put you there and make you look like something, but you are not really something. Bukudita na ba kaisuru, but dole the world. Just think of this. Lord, dollar the world. Where will this guy get power? Never world to jail people in Malakal. Lord, dollar the world actually. The man then cow the world. Where will he get the power? I can say not to Malakal. kalam ta denga de kalam ta Arab da san minum. Dollar kudu na bas kai sura to make Nuer fight na Nuer shakal bro. Lakin gabna asile de denga jawde. The same thing when Governor Obudog was there, Chulkawi, they didn't carry your wally. When Governor Ukuj was there, they didn't carry your wally. When Governor Kongshore Ale was there, they didn't carry your wally. How much more do you want us to tell you that Denga is more dangerous than you think? Denga de Qatar. Now, the Langard with Juba Lele, now Kongshore Ale, General, Lieutenant General. No, it's a Lieutenant General. Fit and cow you are there to be used against your own people. It's a guard who malda, but I can't say the muta makwane. Mafia the time. Then I into interest the tower shackle nuer, my chuluk shackle mamunu, they chuluk manuel with shackle dade. That now couldn't find the job when members but our parliament, members but I feel a kai lora bang, elven look at the kulu. Betron marat. I mal denga kat zol fi fidol tane denka o fi gdamak denga maji benadam mataaraf fi kartum da man da where junubi bukuru fi mal lakin fi arab asli gad arab al gad warag de arab asli al gad mal dak that also Sudan is run na zo la inda man gadin fi juba bas kai sura bas mobilization disarmament is to best empty shackle manas. Agwalag waye, cham sure waye, no. It's a guard who malay and the shackle makwanek. Nueral ga aizo la guard mokuma da denga, but they're there to use you. Denga ain't no interest. They have interest to use you to go kill your own people. That's what when Mintil did for many years to Bentil. Then Tarodu the Caliph. What about Turkel? Turkel Larek Zol Bentil, Mangwen Bentil. Tarodu the Caliph. What about the list goes on, Yakwana? How much more do you want us to tell you? What about this guy, the Stephen Boy? Tariga woman Amal Stephen Boy, what they did to Stephen Boy, Yakwana, in your right senses. Will you think that I did about a light about Malu Stephen Boy? Is Stephen Boy El Katal Nur Kulu? Fishumal Nil. Amalu Leo. Lana denga de is more dangerous than you think. Denga de, the Marcook, denga de, it be chill Arab de brother attack, that can denga de my brother attack. Denga de is more dangerous. That's what happened with Malakala today. Nas Kulu guiding, Farom guard from Malakal Magwelek, denga mind in Tram Leo. Ulan guard for Juba, denga mind in Tram Leo. Kun fight guide, Kongshore another Kulu guiding as Tabandeng, Tabandeng Munu, Tabandeng Nial, Tabandeng. The Kulu too many of us, like in we are there as a second class citizen. Now, the line, I will let the Banado Damasare. Yet, but I know the Kulu guide with Yokum the Damasare. Yowde? I will let a guide with Yokuma Lele. The Damasare, but Le Mushakal. Mushakal with a dengaja, I'm the shackle. Like in Chuluk Kulu live a guide for Unimis. Denga lives a guide for rather than Chuluk. Yan Pimalakal Yakwana Magul, but our national security, they should cow at tap. Wally, they no arawe, dollar. Oh, but our national security mind of power. Oh, but well mind of power, like it never wally then cow into war, besieging us to arrest, to release, to fuck, to do anything. They are to do like what kind of country it is? I got a national security that the Kalamu Chuluk Masu, Chulu Masalo, the way of Massacre, Tabio Massacre, Jata, national security, the issue like this. Mushakal Zed. Lonera, Danka, with the Barama community, that another book to Nur Kulu guard from Malakal, Umbar Kalamdo Umbari. That was last night. That will kill Ainara guard from Malakal, be well, and on a Barakulu. Oh, Kuma message in Dole. Or young Mishar said, that's why I'm a shackle manas in Nasser. Young Mishar, Madubat, but I feel Yakwana, Lina Rider, Yakwana, Dur Yakwana. Kalamdanga, never Kalamulakum Kef. This never well, cattle signal, innocent nor, Massa, They don't never well, a cattle of one of the Shuluk, Massa, They don't never well cattle guard akulama college masajino. They never well cattle general digest with a chulup masajino. They never well shall beggar ramaquenitut masajino. They never well a lele telling well for Malakal that standing tall without shame that Anna Boktul nor kulu for Malakal mabizol basale. Be well betomne. Ularasa Salvakir masajino. Jazalami the masajino. Instead, Gordanu the tower jesh to protect him. Uriak Machar sajeno bas gadung nasar. Nueral gadamal defile and upso. Nueral lagav korwako. God said some of without. Nueral mind of dower. Nueral already forgotten about Sudan. They just minding their business, they're surviving on their own. Then cow tan when I don't majorjabo, mind of my year, mind of Ayaja, a molu to flow in other. Bigger than Yakamajata nas, bigger than no man is one, Maguo. But the Sajeno? Sajeno Yamacha. But the Sajeno Nasa Lagam, Amali Jeram Finasare, Sajeno Yamacha. Sajeno Yamacha, where the bad with Amcolo. Umbari, Talada, the bad with Yamacha, Shalom and Barafokum. For Juba. There, Yakwana, how much do you want us to tell you? That denga de akwana lo kuma de ma bishilu bara fiyet soman lo kuma de ma bishilu bara fiyet denga jinub de ai zo lam je batre ga bataw ai ga bila yam je batre ga bataw ai ga bila yamal kingdom bataw or yamalo dollar bataw whatever you decide do the fucking shit amalo now that's enough now the guy look at this yakwana this is a governor of the state a governor should have a power I shall level wall position. But in this case, in the government of Tadenga, never wall you into power, mineral wall, actual wall. Dollar went to his dollar amalo telephone and direct disrespect, the level of disrespect. But Tadenga. When dollar found out that those individuals that came to speak out again, never wall is not group Roman. The denga bro. Say gentleman. Dollar amal telephone awal. Zoloma de for telephone. You don't want to pick up telephone. Then never want you don't want to pick up telephone. Dollar amal telephone at a bigger taban. And then dollar went to his ass. Make she bed without a deal get it. Dug above. I buy up tabaf. He refused. Who could fat above? He slammed the door in his face. Duffel bab fi white with a dollar. Tawalo threat, follow by threat, that Nuere and on a book to look for Malakal. Nuere the book to look for Malakal, like in the bump you went. Nuere the book to look for Malakal, later bump you went, Valenil. Can I go Lamshi, I'm sure to Lunere? I go ahead, I'm sure, my result will go like Utum Dang after down, Lutum Rujala, do it. There, Anna, but I give you 2 hours. That's dollar for 2 hours. Lutum Rujala, Lutum Dang after down. I want a year for 2 hours that no regard for Malakal Catalu dollar Catalu. I shall not shoot what will happen. I shall not shoot what will happen. Tumbadet Gabila Kulu Bakalam. This is what's going on. But dollar, my no regard for Kumane, the Mamishila Batana, the Michela Batakum. Wolveron, you talk too much, you talk garbage too much. Come outside, defend your dude. Tal Bolberon, my media attack defend dollar. Loit Rajula Dilgade, Loit Rajula Dilgade, Bolberon, me a gin got che all me a gin got che minyal, me a gin got che wang, all gin wood che lang, finaser. Then you should come outside today to condemn Denga from Malakal. Rain here, me a gin wood change young Dilgade, change young Maga the common zone. Chini jang el gad fi Mokwai, el gad fi Mlalgawi, el maga de common zone. Never fear nobody. I want you to come outside today to condemn Denga de. Now the world but I'm the world but I the go correct. Lie. The ma world but I know media de. The ma world but not the column, the world but I could to me my Denga. So I want you right here to come outside like you always come outside to criticize Nuer. Rajila would change journey. Then come outside today and tell us what's up. Let them got amal there. I've been fighting for your right. No, you need to come outside now to fight for your right. Nyana young jana ngonga kaini ba social media ga don kuma jawne. Come outside, nyana young, and then condemn denga action for Malakal. Condemn denga action for Malakal. This talad never. You are loud boy with social media collabing with denga government. Utum na the garden for you, but kun point. My lonely care. Kong choranle. Oh, mono. James was my Ubangno Ututkel, Utabananga. I want you to cut one the Katana Sabotana. How many of them? This motherfucker then there's a lot of them. There's a lot of this motherfucker. Tabandanga. Lord Quat. No, I don't Lord you care or Lord Quat, I don't know. Nobody give a damn. Couldn't vote Conchor Alley. James was my Abukarcha Buliak, Turkel. The man show the man bull brawn. Buliak Turkel. The man Turkel down and they be the toot with a junior, the toot Bugul, you know. Toot Bablo, toot Jamus. Toot to the Jamus. Then when will another dinka from the government. I think time has come for you to condemn this dinka killing of Nuer within the government. I think time has come to condemn. You know, show yourself that government, I didn't get the government. We want to see I didn't get that Nuer it a guys Okuma now that's Okuma that Okuma that you have a right and you have freedom to speak freely. You need to come outside and condemn. You are Doug Bishop. Doug when Doug Bishop Al Gadakul Gruja government. Government mangat. Not Batagum for government. Gada Maluman is left. Governor Batagum Gada Malu threat. Yamdan Al Kun for the Java Malakal. No, Java dollar go. Utum Wenos and Al Kun for Danga want to kill him. Balela Naga Danga fi Malakal. Danga the danger, the terrorists. Danga they know Sla, I know Slav Joel, woman terrorists in Malakal. We know them. Lanuman Katalako Lamakol. They kill brother of Lamakol. Lamakol is dangerous. Woman Katalako. Woman Katal Labona. Woman Katal Gadi. Alwako Lamakol. Woman Katal General Rasalbakir. Woman Dabayala. So we know how dangerous they are. So Talbar and speak out. Talbara speak out again this terrorism again within the government. You've been terrorized by Danga, but Apadang within the government. And I'm speaking here a lot again, Danga Apadang, and they will never do nothing. Mavizol Basalo and Mavizolano, they chocolate batai, Ukuma Danga. And I'm actually all and gosh government. And I'm sitting here freely. Again Denga, again terrorism with a Denga Malakal. Oman Mapasalo and Loman Salo and Nolan Medinas. Following Medinas. Lando, Lakin Wenu to Nero God who Kuma, where are you? Why are you so quiet? I got the Gadamal Nuer Catalu to Muscut. Nyakamobaga Ranuer to Muscut. Amaluke Ubadil, Nuer Shakal Manas, Unazi Jibara to condemn Nuer Ben Nuer within the government. It is very easy for you to condemn Nuer. Nuer within the government, it is very easy for you to condemn Nuer. Lakin when it comes time for you to condemn Denga, terrorism against you will let. Tumbaskut, the Maraganego, Mabugula Yade. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. They are not going to cry in social media, Kuma.